Hello there, welcome back. I know I look a little bit scary. Crazy. I look a little bit crazy and scary. Yeah, I'm looking at myself in the monitor because I look crazy. As I said, this hair is not doing it for me, but no worries. We're going to fix this mess in today's video. I mean, I hope so. So in today's video, I'm going to try out hair straightener. Oh my god, a hair straightener that I bought from Facebook ads. Yeah, I have it right here. I don't know if you guys get those annoying Facebook ads or ads on Facebook, but I get them all the time. They are annoying, they are eye-catching, and this is exactly what happened. Like this straightener, like those videos where the girl used the hair straightener, caught my attention, and I've been seeing those videos for a while now, and it looks too perfect to be true. And last week I was curious to see the price and the shipping and blah blah blah, and it was very affordable, like affordable AF. And I think that alone was a sign, like this is way too cheap to be that good, but let's not judge the book by its cover, okay? And I think I paid 36 euros. I'm going to put the price here on the screen. I'm going to show it to you, and then we are going to watch the clips, and then we're going to try this bad boy, okay? On my actual hair. Am I scared? Hell yeah. Anyway, so this is how it came, like in this bubble wrap and then in this plastic thing. It's very weightless, and this feels a very cheap plastic, like very cheap. And it has the European plug-in, but they give you a adapter. Let me show you. Oh, we have instructions too. That's cute. So they give you this traveling adapter, which is nice. It has this on and off button right here, and that's it. The cord is not, I don't know how this is called, but it's not turning around. Like when you turn this around, it's not doing that. The cord looks pretty large. Let's see. Okay, so this is how long the cord is. I think this has 2 meters. I don't know exactly. And it's not too long, it's not too short. I think it's okay. As I was saying, this has the European plug-in, and it has the on and off button. And on the instructions, it says that this has a LED screen. I don't know where that is. Like, I can't see it. And also this plate right here is divided, and from the middle, I'm guessing, is coming a light, a light is coming. Well, anyway, and it has like little imperfections around here and around here. I'm not gonna judge that, but as I was saying, it feels like it's made out of paper. That sounds too dramatic, but yeah, let's watch those clips. So I guess I'm going to find out from this clip how this straighten works. And the ads that I'm seeing all the time on Facebook is just the part where the girl straightens the hair, and it looks so perfect, so smooth, so silky, so straight. Amazing. It looks amazing. So that's the only part I'm seeing when I'm on Facebook, the ads. So right now I found another clip, and it shows how this works. Okay, so let's watch this. I'm going to put the video here on the screen, so let's watch it. Oh, as I was saying, from this plate it came like a red light. I don't know if you saw that. Oh wow, so this is where the LED is supposed to be. As I was saying, I can't see any LED screen. So I don't know if you guys see this, but she clipped the hair so you can't see any hairline, and this could be a wig or extensions, you know what I'm saying? Like her hair is already straight, but wow, You see how shiny that is? As I was saying, I didn't saw any hairline, so this could be easily a wig, but who am I to judge, you know? Okay, I'm going to run the other clip. Is this one right here. Crazy. You see how curly her hair is, her natural hair is, and you can see how shiny and wow. And you can see the smoke too, but I'm guessing it's from the heat protector. I did apply some heat protector on my hair. So this is exactly what I was saying. You see how shiny and silky and smooth and straight that hair is. I'm going to run this again, but look closely at the hair straightener because it looks like it has a different name right here. You see what I'm talking about? And also it looks like the cord is rotating. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, so this is the ad I'm seeing all the time on Facebook, and when I clicked on the website, this is what they were selling. So I really hope it's the same product. In the first clip I showed you, yeah, it's the same hair straightener. Okay, so I guess this is the moment of the truth. I'm going to try this on my hair. Let's pray for my hair. I don't want to burn my hair, but I want silky, straight, smooth hair. Okay, let's see how this works because I'm so curious. I do have a piece of extensions because I'm going to try this first on my extensions. And yeah, let's see. Let's do this. I'm going to plug this in and hope for the best. It was already on. Okay. Oh yeah, I can see now. Is at 170. And how do I want more. Wow. Yeah, so from here you adjust the temperature. Now it's at 200, 230, and that's it. So that's the highest it can get, 230. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's so tiny, and also it has like a red light here, and I guess it's because it's heating right now. Okay, so as I was saying, I have my extensions here. I'm going to brush them. They're not completely straight as we can see. Okay, so I'm going to, as I said, I'm going to try to use this on my extensions, and let's see. Doesn't smell like burnt. So I don't know what's the deal with the light, with that red light. I don't know. I feel like this is not hot. I mean, it's pretty hot, but you guys can see that. Like, I still have like a mini wave in there. And I don't want that. I want like straight, silky, smooth hair. This doesn't get shinier. As I was saying, too good to be true, but I have to wait to use this on my actual hair. So I was just testing to see if this burns my extensions, but I guess it's safe to use it on my hair. And it feels like it's pulling a little bit the hair. I don't know if you can hear that. I hope so. Let's try again. Yeah, I feel like this is straight enough. My hand hurts, as I was saying. So I'm going to try to do my hair now. Look at this. Looks pretty nice. So I washed my hair and I let it air dry, and this is how my hair looks like. Crazy. It's pretty curly. Siri, shut up. It's pretty curly, but because I do straighten my hair almost every day, the curls got a little bit more loose and it looks crazy now. My hair is very dry, like the ends are crazy dry, damaged. I do need a trim, but too lazy for that. Okay guys, the moment of truth. Let's get into the position so you can see better. So I guess I have to remove my plastic earrings because it's not safe. Okay, let's take a moment. I'm ready. I think so. You know the video where the girl curls her hair and it melts on the curling wand? That could be me right now. Okay, so I'm touching my hair and it doesn't feel that hot. Okay, so as you saw, I had to run this over and over like 5 times, I guess, 4. And this looks pretty straight, but it's not shiny like it was in the video. You know what I'm talking about? Like, yeah, my hair is pretty shiny, but this doesn't look that shiny. Okay, let's try again. I don't want to say this, but I guess this is a scam because this is not what they use in that video. You know what I'm saying? Because that hair, it was super shiny. My hair is not shiny. I mean, it's shiny like normal shiny, you know what I mean? But it's not like crazy shiny. It's not bad. As we can see, this hair is pretty straight. Yeah, it was too good to be true, right? Alright, so my theory is either the girl from that clip has a wig on, and we all know that wigs are a little bit more shiny than natural hair, even though they are made from human hair. They are like chemically treated, blah blah blah. They are a little bit more shiny than natural hair. Either she had like a treatment, you know, some kind of shiny treatment, glossy hair treatment. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Either they are not using this hair straightener, because girl, I'm not getting any of what I saw in that video. I mean, yeah, I'm getting my hair straightened, but it's not shiny, it's not silky, it's not whatsoever. So I got scammed. So I guess that's it for today's video. I'm going to finish doing my hair with this hair straightener because I want to see the finished result. I'm disappointed and I don't want to admit it, but I got scammed. Kemei, what the? I'm disappointed, like very disappointed. Anyway, I'm going to finish this hair and I'm going to show you the final result, okay? You guys, so I went to the bathroom to finish doing my hair with the straightener because I have a larger mirror there, and I was doing this back piece, and let me tell you, this pulls my hair like nobody's business. I was like, bitch, no, not today. You're not going to ruin my hair, not today. So I guess this was a big fail. I'm going to show you how it looks, but I didn't do much. But I'm going to show you right now how it looks. It's not very straight because, as I said, I didn't do much. This pulls my hair. I'm not about that life. I already plugged in my straightener. I have a Roventa straightener. I'm going to show you that. Alright guys, final thoughts. I don't think I ever did a negative review or first impressions on my channel, so I guess today is the first. I don't like this Kemei hair straightener. Is not worth it, in my opinion. It's not worth it. Don't waste your money. Save them to get something better. Or I think that even you can get better for cheaper, if I'm not wrong. I don't know how much I paid for mine. I currently have this Ruventa one. I have this for so long and I wanted to upgrade. That's why I purchased that one. I thought it was amazing and also very affordable, but those clips on Facebook, they are a lie. Either the girl had a wig on, either they did like a glossy, shiny treatment, and of course when you put heat on it, it looks shinier, if that makes sense. I got scammed even though I purchased this myself. It's a scam, so don't let them fool you, okay? So yeah guys, I don't know what else to say. Kemei, you're not worth it, in my opinion, okay? This is my own personal opinion. I don't know what else to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I feel bad that today's video didn't came out as I expected, because honestly I had high hopes for this one, judging by the clips I saw on Facebook. Anyway, I'm all over the place. I'm sorry you guys, I'm sorry for this bad review, but this hair straightener didn't work for me. So yeah, let me know down below if you ever saw those clips on Facebook, if I'm crazy, if you have this hair straightener and it works amazing for you. Let me know down below because I am curious. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.